to pour fire from heaven on this project before we commence. But Pastor, I don't know if you have something to tell my audience.
I want to first of all appreciate the engineer for this privilege.
Thank you.
What I saw here this evening, it was wonderful. I have the plan with me here.
Wow.
It was wonderful plan. The best engineer we can recommend.
Wow.
This is the best engineer.
How IT all started.
Thank you one more time, viewers, for joining us on this particular episode. It's very interesting and very enlightening. You learn so much. I believe you are ready to laugh as well. So I have my client with me and I have my pastor on the other hand. But let's first hear from my client. We have been able to excavate this particular building. So let's hear from our client what he has to say. So, Mr. Client, sir, please tell my viewers what your name is and where you stay and what experience you had with Favetech Construction Services.
Okay, once again, greetings to our viewers out there. My name is Mr. Evans here. I'm the CEO of Evergo Digital Concepts.
Amazing.
And as you can see, to the glory of God, here is my personal site, 3-bedroom apartment on suite, and this is my wonderful engineer. So he's a wonderful engineer, I call him, because of his antecedent and because of his professionality on this job. So he's good.
So can you quickly share with us any experience you have, whether they are good, whether they are bad?
Like I've earlier said, I said it's good, yeah. Working with Favetech construction company, I know them because I've witnessed some of their work. So it was through some of their projects I went through that it brought me to call them to do this project for me. So they are good, they are recommended, I recommend them.
Wow, did you hear that? We are recommended. So we have our pastor here, please, Pastor. Pastor came to join us and we are ready to pour fire from heaven on this project before we commence. But Pastor, I don't know if you have something to tell my audience.
I want to first of all appreciate the engineer for this privilege.
Thank you.
He has given to us. And what I want to say to the audience, what I saw here this evening, it was wonderful. I have the plan with me here.
Wow.
It was a wonderful plan. The best engineer we can recommend.
Wow.
This is the best engineer. I've literally the plan. I really commend it.
I
want to encourage every one of us to at least patronize our
You give that to show it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, like he said, this is the plan. This is what we have. And because of confidentiality, this is the only part that you are permitted to have and see. So this is what we are putting in this site today. So if you need us, you can do it to contact us, even with the numbers on the screen, or you can log on to any of our social media handles, Favetech Fusion, and then you can have access to us. Thank you on this episode. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you.